CNS by process of any spinal cord or any central nervous system when the transcription reactions of sequence transfer from the brain through the any organ of the body. Okay, so we are mainly focused on the respiratory system. So we have to sequence transfer from the stimulation of chemoreceptors. That is nothing but chemoreceptor receptors. So the chemoreceptor receptors they will find out the stimulation of CNS. That stimulation of CNS will be responsible reactions of excitatory neurotransmitters release. Then we have to follow for the irregular breathing or heart rate. Heart rate will be irregular. The pulse rate will be high. They are monitoring. Then you have to give you drugs. For example, alkaloids or nicotine, or methyl cellulose, methyl xylantine. So we have more derivatives of alkaloids and flavonoids. Then we have to check out the tidal volume. So tidal volume will be around 19 to 22 centigrade. We have to useful of the spirometry to useful of tidal volume to enhance the respiratory syndrome. Okay, so we have to further follow the treatment management. Okay, so we have the derivatives of alkaloids. For example, nicotine. So nicotine has a stimulation of CNS and will be responsible for the drug action of pharmacological action of neurotransmitters release. We have to put in, we have to suppress the high pressure. So if we are having normal breathing control, will be regulating our life cycle. Okay, so we have to make an protective of respiratory system, like avoid for the further asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disorders. So we have to many infections of the following of the respiratory tract infections. So to many other peoples, we have to like sinus or any other dust allergy reactions will be available then. So you should responsible for the following drugs. We have to make it the treatment management of analytics. Okay. So analytics is mainly when infection of respiratory syndrome. We have to mainly follow the focus on to avoid unwanted dusting particles of particular area. So we have to protect yourself. Okay. So thank you very much. Thank you. So we are discussing about the analytic drugs. So alkaloids they use nicotine and methyl xylantine, caffeine, theophylline, and cocaine, amphetamine. So adverse effect of analytics. Doxaprom 20 mg plus 400 grams. Still we have to use it for creating available. So purpose of muscle stitching, vomiting, and seizures. So next, what are the uses of analytics? For the further uses of CNS stimulants and treatment of depression and ADHD. ADHD is nothing but attention of hyperactivity disorder. Then another respiratory depression we have to follow. So mainly for the mechanism of action for the respiratory stimulant and stimulate chemoreceptors of carotid artery. Then after stimulation of CNS, then to increase the excitatory neurotransmitters release to the blood release of the following of to hyperactivity or uncontrolled breathing and to increase the heart rate. It will be drugs responsible for the suppression action of pharmacological action. It will increase the tidal volume. So normal respiratory range is 19 to 22 above millimicrometer. You have to use for spirometry. The lung volume will be used to prolonged action to be monitored for the further management. We have to follow very clinically for for the further management. So we have to follow our respiratory stimulant actions. We have to keep monitoring the BP also. It will be responsible for the respiratory system. To evaluation of respiratory tract infections to be avoided. Many other responsible for the infection to be avoided. So must we have to clinically responsible for the further management. Okay. So we have to follow by the many other people used to for the drugs are from drugs. So 20 mg for 400 ml IV injection to be diluted on for 100 ml of NS to be slowly followed by the 10 drops per ml followed by the clinically there is another added of antibiotics of disulfiram added. Then you have to add for Dexa injections also added. It will be stimulate the responsible for the respiratory tract infections. Okay, thank you. Please